Hi everybody, Richard with the Richard Fauché Real Estate Team. Hoping you're having a great start to the year. We're in February, which means January stats are out for the Edmonton Real Estate Board. Let me show you here some now. Sales and active listings month over month, minus 5.4% from last month, and an increase of listings at 4.6%. Year over year, we've got a very flat for sales. We were sitting at 795 last year to 799 this year. Active listings, fairly large reduction, minus 11.8% from 7,000 to 6,252, which then in turn affects your months of inventory. You can see that reduction in inventory, 7.8 months worth of inventory. We're sitting at 8.9 compared to last year, 6.9 in 18, 7 in 17, and 8.5 in 16. Average sale price for single family, a slight reduction at 0.6% increase, sitting at $413,954, and again a 2.5% increase year over year from 403 to 413. A little bit different story here on the condo side. Obviously, we've seen that before, minus 10% month over month from 226 to 204, and again a minus 5.9% year over year. From 217 to now 204. Now I just want to touch a little bit on condos. We've seen actually a pretty drastic change in insurance premiums and the carbon tax. So what that does, it actually when you have those included in your condo fees, that will increase your condo fees. A lot of property managers right now passing the buck to the sellers, to the owners of condos, and therefore the condo fees, we've been seeing quite a consistent increase in most buildings. Now what that does is for future buyers, it affects their buying power because that condo fee is actually looked at as a liability from the bank's perspective. So it's making it harder for people to buy condos in this market. Average sale price for all residential, very modest dip of 0.8% from 353 to 351. Year over year, nice increase of 3.9% from 337 to 351. This would have been interesting to see if we didn't have such a reduction in price on the condo side of things. Days on market, you can see dating back to 16, we're sitting at 70, 72, and 17, increasing to 75, 84 last year at this time. Good news is we've dropped 5 days year over year to 2020. So what that means is right now sellers still pricing half the price right, super price sensitive. If you want to move, has to be obvious value to the buyers in the market. Buyers, stay patient. We're going to see a lot of new inventory coming on the market. Spring market coming right around the corner. Should start to see with the weather changing here, the snow dissipating, so we should start to see a lot more inventory coming on. So hope you have a great February. We'll see you in March.